Elle mange pain. They eat blank bread. De la means some or of the, la, the, be, la, the, feminine. C'est du. Du means some or of. Une means like a boy, so, feminine. And the la is also feminine singular. This one also is feminine singular. So the correct answer is pain, du pain. Elle mange du pain. You see, this is the correct answer, because this should be here. G should be here, because see, because pain is an object. See, if pain were a subject, you could use le pain, but in this case it is an object, so you should use du. They eat bread. Elle mange du pain. Maintenant, B. Nous écrivons ... tableau. So it means we write blank board. Now let's see the options. A. Allah means to or at. Okay, like I'm at home, je suis à la maison. Je vais à l'école. I'm going to school. Now B, it means the at or to, and it's plural. The first one is feminine singular, and this one is masculine plural, O, with X at the end. Now we have al apostrophe, which means the or to, but it is used with words starting with a vowel. So it is, and it is both feminine singular and or masculine singular. Nous avons des, which is O. O is masculine singular. Nous écrivons, we write, in French say au tableau. And like say I'm writing on the board. So it's like you use it literally. You use O, which literally means to. You see, nous we write on O. On we write on. We write on the board. O is the correct answer. See, we write on the board. Nous écrivons au tableau. Maintenant, nous avons 3. Kofi va chercher ... shares. Kofi is going, this is a near future. Kofi is going to look for blank chair. So we have a, du means of or some. Une, feminine singular article. Now, c'est de la, already mentioned, de la, and then the feminine singular. They means some, or like some. Yes, let's consider it to be some. So, but plural. And yes, let's just say plural. Kofi va chercher. Kofi is going to look for. So it is a chair. Is going to look for a chair. See, il va chercher une chaise. See, because une is a feminine, while une chaise is singular feminine. So use une chaise. Maintenant, numéro 4. Numéro 4, maman achète tomate. Ici. Maintenant, une est féminine. B, deux of or use with a used in negative sentence. De, C, de la, already mentioned, feminine, and the plural, some. Now, mama buys dash or blank blank tomatoes. So it should be there. There is the correct answer because tomato is plural and it goes with the some. Mama buys some tomatoes. So because it is plural, you see. So now we continue. Numéro 5. Numéro 5. Blanc, enfant dort sur la table. Blank, child sleeps on the table. So nous avons the first one. We have a. Les is the plural, like the children. Okay, the plural. Now we have la, which is the feminine, like the girl. We have L apostrophe, which is both feminine and masculine singular. And this one also is only la. The first la is feminine singular, and they say the second one is used when the word in front of it has a vowel at its initial position. So use this la, L apostrophe, which is also feminine singular or masculine singular. You have de la, which means some or of. Now the correct answer is L apostrophe because of this A. You see, it starts with a vowel. You cannot use la. You have to use L apostrophe to mean the child. The child, you see, to mean the child sleeps on the table. Maintenant, continuons. Nous avons 6. We have 6. Le chat mange ... lézard, which means the cat eats blank lizards. Nous avons A, une, B, les, the, C, la, the, but singular and feminine singular. This is feminine or masculine plural. This is feminine. And un, which is a masculine singular. Now the correct answer is you see here, lizard is plural. There is SA there. So the correct answer is B. The correct answer is B. Le chat mange les lizards. The cat eats the lizards. So that's the correct answer. Maintenant, 7. Ama écoute ... leçon. Ama listens blank lessons. We have the first le. Le is the masculine singular. Allah means to or at. No, but it should be feminine singular. And the la is feminine singular to the. And the d is also the. But this the is plural, and it's used with feminine or feminine or masculine nouns. So we have la leçon. We have leçon, which is feminine, so it should be Ama écoute la leçon. The correct answer is C. In French, don't say to the lesson. Ama listens to the. You don't put to. So you just say Ama écoute la leçon. Ama listens. It's like I just say Ama listens the lesson. You see, Ama écoute la leçon. Ama listens to the lesson. Maintenant, numéro 8. Numéro 8. Nous avons donne-moi de ... O. Donne-moi means give me. De means the. In this case, because it is used because O is an object, so it should be give me some water. Give me some water. Okay, so now when you have de, then it means it is, you have to use le or la here. So now we have A, feminine, B, masculine. This is une, this is un. Now you have C, which is the feminine, and L apostrophe, which is used with words starting with the words that have a vowel at the initial position. So this one is the correct answer. Donne-moi, give me some de l'eau. Donne-moi de l'eau. No, the correct answer is D. You see, because of what? Because of this way. So it should be here. Donne-moi de l'eau. Donne-moi de l'eau. Now let's move to Number 9. Number 9. Number 9 is point, 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 point. Numéro 9. Point, 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 point. Homme arrive. Blank. Man coming. So we have a, la, de, feminine. B, les, de, plural. C, un, est, masculine singular. D, une, est, feminine singular. The correct answer is 1. See, ici, un homme arrive. Un homme arrive. A man is coming. A man is coming. You don't know the person. A man is coming. Look, a man is coming. Un homme arrive. See, should be here. The correct answer. Now, 10. We have 10. We have numéro 10. Nous avons belle maison. We have a beautiful or a nice house. See, now we have une, est, feminine singular. B, est, masculine singular. Le, de, masculine singular. And D, les, masculine or feminine plural. So the correct answer is une. See, une because belle maison is feminine. Belle maison is feminine. So you see, nous avons une belle maison. We have a beautiful house or a nice house. Yes.